You don't need 1 hour workouts to build muscle and burn fat. In fact, long workouts might be the reason you're not seeing results. Most people skip training because they think, what's the point if I only have 20 minutes? So they do nothing, and nothing changes. Here's the truth. A focused 20-minute session done correctly beats a lazy 90-minute workout every time. In this video, I'll show you how short workouts can build muscle, burn fat, and fit into real life. No gimmicks, no extreme cardio, no magic exercises. Watch till the end, because one small rule decides whether 20 minutes works or is completely wasted. Welcome to Kinetic Peak. This channel is about efficient, science-based fitness for real people with busy lives. If you're short on time, but still want muscle, fat loss, and strength, you're in the right place. This video is for beginners, busy professionals, and anyone tired of long, exhausting workouts that don't deliver results. If you want simple systems that actually work, consider subscribing, because here we train smarter, not longer. Most people don't skip workouts because they're lazy. They skip them because they believe they don't have enough time. Life gets busy with work, studies, family, and responsibilities, and suddenly the idea of a 1 hour workout feels impossible. So training becomes something you'll start next week. And when next week comes, nothing changes. Even when people do try short workouts, they usually fail. They rush through random exercises, check their phone between sets, and stop before they're even breathing hard. There is no structure, no intensity, and no clear goal. Afterward, it feels pointless. No pump, no satisfaction. That's when the belief gets stronger. Short workouts don't work. But here's the truth. Time was never the real problem. The problem is how those minutes are used. Long workouts often include long rest periods, unnecessary exercises, and low focus. You might be in the gym for 90 minutes, but only 30 of those minutes are real work. The body doesn't respond to workout length. It responds to effort, tension, and consistency. Muscle growth and fat loss are triggered when the body is challenged properly, even in short bursts. Once you understand this, 20 minutes stops feeling limiting and starts feeling powerful. The biggest mistake people make is believing that effective training must be long. 1 hour feels serious, while 20 minutes feels like you're cheating. This mindset alone keeps people stuck. When workouts feel too time-consuming, consistency breaks. And without consistency, results never happen. The popular myth is that fat only burns after long cardio sessions and muscle only grows after high-volume workouts. But the body doesn't work on a clock. It responds to intensity and tension. A short workout done with focus creates more muscle activation and metabolic stress than a long, distracted session. Here's the simple science. Muscle grows when fibers are exposed to high mechanical tension. Fat loss improves when your body's energy demand increases. Both of these can happen quickly if exercises are challenging and rest is controlled. Long workouts often fail because effort drops as fatigue and boredom increase. Short workouts force you to be efficient. Think about how you train when time is limited. You move with purpose, less phone use, fewer useless exercises, more effort per set. The fix: stop judging workouts by duration. Judge them by output. In 20 minutes, aim to train hard, stay focused, and leave knowing every set mattered. When intensity is right, time becomes irrelevant. The second big reason 20-minute workouts fail is randomness. Most people think short workouts don't work because they treat them like filler. A few push-ups, some curls, maybe a plank, whatever comes to mind. It feels active, but it doesn't challenge the body in a meaningful way. Without a plan, there's no progression, and without progression, there are no results. This mistake happens because random workouts look productive. You sweat, your heart rate goes up, and you feel tired. But fatigue alone doesn't build muscle or burn fat long term. The body adapts to specific stress, not general movement. When exercises change every session with no structure, the body never gets a clear signal to improve. Short workouts demand better exercise selection, not more variety. Compound movements like squats, presses, rows, lunges train multiple muscles at once. They create more tension, burn more calories, and save time. Isolation exercises have their place, but they're inefficient when time is limited. The fix: stop being random. Go in with a plan. Choose 3-4 compound exercises and repeat them for several weeks. Track reps or weight and aim to improve slightly each session. When the plan is clear, 20 minutes becomes more than enough to drive muscle growth and fat loss. The third mistake that ruins short workouts is poor rest control. Some people rest too long, scrolling on their phone, fully recovering between sets, turning a 20-minute session into a low-intensity workout. Others do the opposite. They rush non-stop with no rest, sacrificing form just to feel tired. Both approaches kill results. Rest is not wasted time, it's a tool. Too much rest drops your heart rate, lowers training density, and reduces fat-burning effect. Too little rest turns the workout into sloppy cardio, where muscles never experience enough tension to grow. Short workouts only work when rest is intentional and controlled. The goal is to stay slightly uncomfortable, but still strong. That's where muscle tension and metabolic stress overlap, the sweet spot for building muscle while burning fat. When rest is managed properly, even simple exercises feel challenging, and the workout stays effective from start to finish. The fix: use structured rest periods. For most exercises, rest 30-60 seconds. Breathe, reset, and go again. No distractions. Keep form clean, but don't wait until you feel completely recovered. When rest is dialed in, 20 minutes feels intense, efficient, and surprisingly effective. Now let's put everything together into a simple system you can actually follow, even on your busiest days. This is how you make 20 minutes work for muscle growth and fat loss. Step 1. Structure the workout before you start. What? Decide the workout before the timer starts. Thinking during the workout wastes time and kills intensity. Pick 3-4 compound exercises that cover the whole body. For example, squat or lunge, push, push-ups or presses, pull, rows or pull-ups, optional core movement. This ensures maximum muscle activation with minimal exercises. Step 2. Use controlled intensity and rest. Train hard, but with purpose. Intensity is what drives results in short workouts. Perform 3-4 sets per exercise. Stay in the 8-12 rep range. Rest 30-60 seconds between sets. No phone, no distractions. Every set should feel challenging but controlled. If you finish the workout and feel like you could have done much more, intensity was too low. Step 3. Progress something every week, but improve one small variable consistently. Progress is the signal for muscle growth and fat loss. Each week, aim to add 1-2 reps, slightly increase weight, improve form. Is 20 minutes really enough to build muscle and burn fat? Yes, if the workout is structured and intense. The body responds to effort and progression, not time spent. A focused 20-minute session beats a distracted 60-minute workout every time. Do I need cardio for fat loss with short workouts? Not necessarily. Compound strength training already raises heart rate and burns calories. If fat loss is a goal, diet consistency plus intense training matters more than adding extra cardio. Is this suitable for beginners? Absolutely. Beginners often get faster results because their bodies adapt quickly. Short workouts help beginners stay consistent without feeling overwhelmed. How many days per week should I train? 4-6 short sessions per week work best because workouts are short. Recovery is easier, but rest days are still important. What if I miss a day? That's the advantage of short workouts. Missing one day doesn't ruin momentum. Just get back on track the next day. Consistency over weeks matters more than perfection. If this video helped you see short workouts differently, hit the like button. It helps this message reach people who think they're too busy to train. Subscribe to Kinetic Peak if you want practical, no-nonsense fitness systems that actually fit real life. I post videos focused on building muscle, burning fat, and staying consistent without wasting time. Now, comment below and tell me honestly, would you stay consistent if your workouts were only 20 minutes a day? Your answers help me decide what videos to make next, so let me know.